Okay, Marie Granola's utility function is min of this. Marie maximizes her utility subject to a budget constraint. If she chooses the bundle 5, 6, then it must be that the price of X is exactly twice the price of Y. Okay, she chooses the bundle 5, 6, min of X plus 2Y and Y plus 2X. Utility equals to min of X plus 2Y comma Y plus 2X. Okay, so utility will be equal to X plus 2Y if X plus 2Y is less than Y plus 2X, which is basically Y is less than X. Okay, so now I am going to draw my consumption set. On the consumption set, I am going to draw the line Y equals to X. Okay, this is the part for Y less than X. So when Y is less than X, you have X plus 2Y, which is basically slope equals to minus 2, sorry, minus half. Slope equals to minus half here, like this. And when you have X less than Y, the utility function is Y plus 2X, where you have slope equals to minus 2. Okay, so this is your Y equals to X point. She is consuming a point 5, 6. So a point, so this would be a point like 5, 5. Okay, a 5, 6 point would be to the above this. So a 5, 6 point is okay. 5, 6. 5, 6 is basically Y greater than X. Y is greater than X, so it should be in this region. Okay, so I don't know, इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. Any case, this is your point 5, 6. So she is consuming at this point. Okay, so when she is consuming at this point, it basically means that her indifference curve should be coincidental with this red line. Okay, और कुछ situation हो नहीं सकती. You cannot have a situation where the indifference curve actually is like this, because if this is a situation, there will be a indifference curve to the right which will be affordable and give her higher utility. Okay, also you cannot have a situation like this, because if there is a situation if 5, 6 twice price of Y. Okay, yeah. Wait, I made some mistake. मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ की क्या? X plus 2y, y plus 2x, x plus 2y. X plus 2y will be min function है ना? When y is less than x, y is less than x to the left. So when y is less than x, slope should be equal to half. या ठीक है, नहीं कोई गड़बड़ नहीं की. Alright, so if sorry, yeah, the problem which I made is I am drawing budget line, right? So I cannot draw it like that. So suppose her Marie maximizes, she chooses the bundle 5, 6, that it must be that the price of X is exactly twice out of price. Okay, so if the budget line actually is like this, okay, so if the budget line is like this, so my claim is that my budget line should actually match this thing. Okay, so my budget line should be coincidental with the left arm of the indifference curve. So suppose it is steeper. So suppose budget line is steeper. So what will happen is, if this is my budget line, then there will be a point here which will be affordable and on a higher indifference curve. Okay, so budget line cannot be steeper than the red part. Okay, let's draw the other situation where the budget line is flatter, passing through green point but flatter. So when budget line looks like this, again there will be a point, there will be another point here which will be on a higher indifference curve. Okay, so budget line cannot be flatter or steeper than the shaded region, than the yellow region. Okay, so the budget line actually has to coincide with the yellow region. So that is the only case where she will consume the green dot. Okay, so she will consume the green dot only when her budget line is actually coincidental with the yellow part. So her budget line will look like this. So this is your budget line, and the slope of the budget line is equal to px upon py. So px upon py should be equal to 2 because it is coincidental with this red region, and the red region has a slope of 2 because MRS is equals to 2 here. Okay, so px upon py is equals to 2. So it must be that price of x is exactly twice that of price of y. So that's why the answer is